Alright, hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to make this quick insert before you get to the video. I don't think I ever explained that my practice videos, whenever I have practice in the name, it's going to be very long. It's not going to be as short and as quick as like a first test, a first run video. Then I'll cut those down, but if it says practice in the name, and probably with very little editing, because myself and my brother, we use, at least I use the practice videos for myself. I go back and see how my driving has improved, or if it hasn't, or I go back and watch them. So I want to have all of the footage in there so I can see what I did and how I was doing videos. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like, and onto the video.